Hey there, I was sent over this 12-inch brushless, cordless chainsaw to test and try out from the brand. So far, I am really liking it. Let's go over what it comes with, how I've used it so far, and what I really like about it. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like, and everything comes with it that you need to get started, even a small bottle of chain oil. To put together, I put the handle on, tightened it down, then put the chain onto the bar, put the chain and bar onto the chainsaw, tighten down the chain using the yellow knob, and then tighten down the bar and chain to the machine itself using the black dial. Next, I added some oil to the compartment, put on my fully charged battery, and got started. I've got an acre of property, so there's always a dead tree that needs to come down or one on the ground that needs to be chopped into smaller pieces so I can get it taken care of. This chainsaw did a really good job at taking care of the small saplings along with getting those thicker pieces of wood like this one here. I spent about a half hour using it and still had plenty of power. It will hold about an hour charge before needing recharging. When using it, it is recommended that the oil tank be checked every 20 minutes to make sure that that chain stays nice and lubricated. This also has a safety feature on it, and that is located here. You have to pull that down and then pull the trigger underneath to get the chainsaw to work. So the things that I really liked about it, for one, it was super easy to get started. It only took a couple minutes to put everything together and get it ready to go. No wrenches are needed. The only thing I needed to put it together was the screwdriver that was included to put on the handle. Putting the blade on, keeping it tight, and keeping it locked down is all super easy with these two dials. On what I cut it with, I did not get any kickbacks, which was really nice. It is nice and light at just under 6 pounds, so I really like that about it. It's easy to maneuver. Even with this being a battery operated item, I do feel it offers plenty of power for small yards like mine, as well as for people that may have never used a chainsaw before and want a good beginner one. For those of you that are skilled in using one of these and even some of the bigger ones, it's just easy to grab and go use it. Overall, I think this is a great product so far. If you are looking for a smaller chainsaw that's a little lighter weight than some of the others to help take care of those trees and brush in your yard, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.